What's up, YouTube? I got some great news for you because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 a day with copy and paste ads using ClickBank. So if you've never made money on ClickBank and this is your first time, I'm going to show you can make $100 per day just using this method. Now, if you follow this method to the T and you follow this instruction step by step, I can assure you that you can make money with this method. Now, listen up. A lot of people are going to watch this video, and after the video, they're going to go back and do the same thing they've been doing and then complain that nothing works. So the only people that this is going to work for is the people that watch this video all the way to the end and take immediate action right away. So if you want to learn how you can earn $100 a day with copy and paste ads using ClickBank, watch this video all the way to the end. So if this is your first time here, my name is Andre, and I talk about how to make money online affiliate marketing in just different ways. So if you like videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on that bell notification. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from too, because I always like to know where my videos are being viewed all over the globe. So let me know. And for my regulars, so good to have you here. And keep watching my videos over and over again. So I'm going to jump into things right away. So earn $100 a day with copy and paste ads just using ClickBank. Let's do this. So yes, I'm super excited to share this with you. And if you don't know what ClickBank is basically an affiliate network, and they have tons of different products. So people who have companies, they would just come on here and they would have their program or their offers or whatever it is, and affiliates such as like you and me, we go here, we promote it, and you make a commission. So this is absolutely free. All you have to do is just sign up for it. If you've never have an account before, whether you have an account or not, just follow what I'm going to share with you right now. So click right here and it will tell you how to create your account. So you're going to put your country name, your first name, last name, all that kind of stuff. Make sure you fill it out and make sure the banking information is correct and the account information as well. So if you don't put that correctly, then of course you're not going to get paid. So as soon as you create your account, the next thing you want to do is I'm going to show you where you're going to copy and paste these ads. So I'm going to show you the different type of products that you can promote where you can earn this type of money. And I'm also going to show you the place where you're going to go to copy and paste these ads so you can earn $100 a day just by using this method. So make sure if you haven't yet, like, subscribe, and become a part of the family, and give this video a thumbs up. So this is a great website, and the website is called freeadforum.com. So once again, the freeadforum.com. And it's basically a website where you can come and you can promote ads on here for free. So you can promote ads for free, and they give you about 90 days for a free ad. Anytime after that, you have to pay money. So they'll give you a certain period of time, but afterwards, if you're gonna go beyond the 90 days, of course you can pay like up to $5 beyond that. And you can pay for the entire year. So choose ad duration. People can pay like $5, and you can even pay like $10 for the entire year. So you sign up for the free account. As I said, it's absolutely free. And I'm going to show you the free method. And if you want to pay the $5, I can show you how to do that as well. So once you sign up and you create your account, the next thing you want to do is you want to click over here where it says create new ad. So I'm already started an ad already. So I'm going to zoom in for a little bit. I don't want to cancel it because I was setting it up, but this is where you would click. So once you click on here, you can read through here. If this is something that you want to, take your time, of course, read through it. And this right here, as I told you before, it's $10 for the entire year. You can place an ad and you're going to get views and people are going to like your stuff. So it's there for an entire year. So if you have a little bit of money and you want to put it up there for an entire year, then go for it. If your free one is working well and you want to add it for a year, I would do that. So test out the free ones first. And if they're getting some traction, you're getting some sales from it, you're getting people to like, engage on it, then you can throw a little bit of money in there. So what you're gonna do, you wanna come over here. Now there's so many different categories that you can choose from. There's jobs, there's community, there's services, there's real estate, auto, learning, and for sale, right? So you can put it on community or you can put it on jobs, not a problem. You can click on jobs, and when you click on jobs, this is loading. You will see, like, I'm sure some of you can see, you will see accounting, you will see art, you will see business, you will see business opportunities. I'm in the business opportunity space, so that's what I'm going to be clicking on. So still loading. Just wait for a little bit. Still loading. So yeah, I'm going to click on the business opportunity because that's what I'm going to create this video for. So once you click on business opportunity, I'm not sure why it just keeps loading every time I click on it. It was way quicker first, but all right, there you go. So right here, you can choose what it is that you want to do. As I said before, $5 for 6 months, or for the year, you can pay 10. Now you want to do the free cost. If the ad is going good and you're making some sales, money coming in, or you're getting a lot of views from the ads, not necessarily a lot of sales, but if it's performing well, if you got a little bit of money, throw it in there, right? It's a little bit cheaper than you spending $5 a day on Facebook or YouTube or all that type of stuff. So this is a great way how you could get more for your buck. So if I were you and I got some money to place on ads, I would just test it out on here. Test it, see if it works, and all you got to do is just continue. Now the title, so the title you're going to use, there's so many different titles that you could choose from. You can get ideas from even titles from your favorite YouTube videos, right? You could do YouTube videos, you can go on Google, you could search hot business opportunity headlines, and you can find a bunch of things that are listed on here. Now for this one, I already have something that I wanted to post. So you could earn $200 to $1,000 every single day. It all depends on what you're going to promoting. And the reason why I put that, because I'm going to share with you why I'm promoting that. Because if you do make a commission from the actual product, you can make that type of money, right? So once you fill that in, you want to put in the description. Now the description could be whatever catchy phrase or thing that you want to place as well. You can get that from Google. You can also get that from some YouTube descriptions. Now, in here, you could put, all right, so if you said earn $200 to $1,000 every single day, you could say, this is something that will transform your life, and yeah, something that will transform your life. So you could do that. You could add more things if you want to, right? You could add more things. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put one of my description in there. So this is something that will transform your life. And I will put, you could put some more things in here to beef it up a little bit, not a problem. But you can add something that someone will read and they could be like, okay, this is cool. So this is something that would transform my life. I like to travel a lot, and this is one of the programs that help me to do that. Now, I travel a lot. You haven't traveled. So of course you want to make sure that you write something that you like doing. You don't have to take what I took or what I just said, but make sure you put something that is real and that is genuine. I highly recommend integrity. Don't put something or try to lie or try to manipulate, but make sure that you add something of value in the description so someone will say, okay, I would like to see exactly what it is. Now, you want to put some tags because people will be searching this particular platform. So what I mean tags, you can put affiliate marketing, right? You can type in the word affiliate marketing. Affiliate, already, affiliate marketing. You can put make money online. You can put business. Okay, see? Already. Business. Okay, affiliate marketing. Business. Affiliate marketing, business opportunity. Right? You can put work anytime, work from home, work from. So there's already tags. People already, look at that. Work from home. So these are some of the tags that people are already looking for. So you can type it in. That's it. Now, right here, it says the price. You can put a price if it's a product that you want to promote. You could do that, or you could leave it at no price. There's no shipping because it's digital products that we're going to be talking about. So your email, make sure you put your email in there and just create an actual email into Gmail. So that way it's your business email and not like your personal email. So country, you can choose from whatever country, whatever region, right? This to me seems like worldwide. Of course, it's not going to be like every nook and cranny, but it is reachable all over the world. So you can add your region, and right in here, make sure you add your website URL. And when I say website URL, it's going to be your affiliate link. So we're going to head on over to ClickBank and we're going to find a good product. So if you come over here for this particular video, I'm going to do like e-business. So e-business, and then it's going to be affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, and as our ad, earn $200 to $1,000 per day. Yes, you can earn 161, you can earn 175, you can earn 61, you can earn 497. If you come down here, you can earn $199. So whichever of these offers you'd like to promote, not a problem. But make sure your title is congruent with your offer. Now, these are some great stuff that you could choose from. So you could just pick anyone. Pick any of these affiliate products to promote. This right here, the 12-minute, you can click on here and you can grab your affiliate link. So you create the hub link. You always want to put a tracker on there. So for me, it would be like free ad forum 1. So if you create another one, free ad forum 2. So you'd copy this link. Once you copy this link, you want to head on over back to the actual website and you want to paste it there, right? Now, the reason why I took that link is because I already know what the product is. If you don't know what the product is, I highly recommend you spend some time and go through their affiliate page and look at it and see if it's something that you would buy. Even though they're selling like hotcakes, see if it's something that you will buy. So you can click on it, you can look at it and see, all right, is this something that I want to promote? And then you look on here and you can click it, watch the video.
In this quick video, I'm going to share with you
Okay, so yeah, I know this guy. His name is Devon Brown. So he's promoting his thing. So watch the video, see how it is, and you can also look at their affiliate product. But if you guys are looking for a great way how you can learn and make way more money in terms of like getting the right education, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. So make sure you check that out. Now, once you grab that link, you want to take it over to here and you paste it. So paste your link there, and you can use Bitly to shorten it. If you don't want to use this long link, you could do that as well. But you want to select image. So you want to create an image. You can go on Google. You can get images from Google. You can click on here. And once you click it, you could just paste whatever it is that you want to put. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get a quick pic for you right now. All right, so I just grab a picture. You can go on Google. You can go anywhere. A lot of people like to use money picture. I'm just taking this one. Make money online, right? So once you do that and you put it up, you can add up to 7 images. So you can get like 7 image and it will be all over the place. So you can get some money pictures, some, things that will capture the reader's attention. Now here you can add a video, you can add a URL video, and you could grab a video, one of my videos or any video from YouTube, but it's not going to do anything, excuse me, because all it's going to do is revert back to your website. So it's not a problem. You can create your own video if you want, or you can use one of my videos. It's not a problem, or somebody else's. Add the link to the video right here. And once you do that, you can add up to 2 videos, but just add 1. So if you, right, this is no cost. If you want to add like more stuff, of course they're going to charge you $2 here, $2 there. Because if you want to make it pop, yes, they will definitely charge. So you click on preview and you'll see what it looks like. Now it's going to show up. So you can click accept and submit, but I'm not going to submit it. So look at here, right? Number of views, 2 people view this thing already. And I just posted it. My goodness. Like this thing is like, it's like money printing machine. So if you look over here, there's so many people. Like, would you like to see this? Add envelopes into the mailbox. Like people are using this free ad forum and making money. So there's people all over the internet. And this goes all over. They place them on different type of ads. And as you can see, this is a listing of 1 million listings so far. So people been using this nonstop, consistently. So you can place your ad, and then once you do that, people will then start to click on it. So you could, if you got some time in the day, start putting out some ads. Start placing ads, make it compelling, make it something that someone will click on. Like definitely like this picture right here, if somebody say make money online, they're gonna click on it like, whoa, what's that? So I can accept and submit, but for this one, I'm gonna close it because I haven't done with it yet. So you see the general idea of what I'm showing you, that you can earn $100 a day, right? Copy and paste, that's all you're doing. You're copying, you're pasting. It doesn't take much, and you can make this type of money on ClickBank. So ClickBank is a great place. They have so many different platforms that you could choose from. So sign up for this and start to take some action right away. And if you're looking for my number 1 recommendation, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. So I just gave you a great, great video. Like, subscribe, and share this with other people because there's so many people out there who would love to hear this. So I hope you enjoy that video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, my friends.